How to fix internal error 0x06 system error. Hi everyone, this is Kay here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I will guide you how you can fix if you have an internal error. So without further delay, let's get started. So for that, first of all, you have to go to this PC in your device. After you open up this PC, head towards local disk C. Once you're here, now again click on users folder. On the users, again open the public folder and click on it. Now under public, you have to create a folder. Right click on this empty space, click on new. Then you have to click on folder. Now name this folder document. Once you create the documents folder, again on the document, you have to create a new folder and then you have to give it a name Steam. Now once you do that, you could close this PC or the C drive, and after that you can start playing a game and that will fix your error. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.